Good morning, evening, everyone. Just starting up real quick. Center. Save as. I am so tired still. I took this Trump trade, by the way. Don't ask me why. But I got out and then I re-entered later. And then it broke out this morning. I mean, just an hour ago or 30 minutes. But on the daily, we're looking good for Bitcoin, though. Yeah, I think we're looking pretty good for Bitcoin on the daily. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour, we're still in an uptrend. Still making the higher highs. I mean, the higher lows. So let me just create the TA section real quick. On the 1 hour, perfect. Copy image. In fact, I want to do it another. Is this just me or? Looks like a really weird candle. Okay. I want to select all of this. I mean, okay. There we go. Trend line. Path. Short setup from here. Yeet. All the way down to 94. Oh, even 38. Yeah, 83. Copy image into here. Copy image. Okay, let's do it this way then. Copy image. There you go. Let's go dive into the 1 hour now. Copy. Bitcoin 1 hour trend line broke as expected. Just closed a gap and we will be retesting the lows on this very moment for continuation. On the 1 day chart, we are forming a double bottom effect pattern, I mean. For those that are here, please show some love. We are forming a double bottom pattern. Price will most likely hit 101.1k, retest and continue up towards our entry target for the short that has been set at 108.6. 108.6. Yep. Now let's dive into Trump. Okay. Let's remove these. Let's keep this alert though. Because right now I see that the trend is still holding up. It broke through the first one. And also through this one over here. If we zoom in, basically. So each time whenever the price is going down or up, it's forming a trend line. Like a, you know, a trend. Based on higher highs, lower lows, etc., etc. And those break eventually through this line. And what normally always happens is that it breaks through, retest, and continuation up. Yeah, so this is a 15-minute candle. I mean 15-minute gap, which got closed. So this could have been an entry for someone. Yeah. If we dive into that gap in the 3 minutes maybe, then yeah, it's also okay. 1066. Let's try 1066. Okay. That would have also hit if we dive deeper into the gaps. Markets red, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin, push. I do want to see Bitcoin pushing through over here and then make the retest. But I'm okay with how it is right now. So I gave this this trade earlier where our entry was set at 103.4, and in fact, yeah. So we had the response, then we had the you know, the retest directly on the gap. But I think I already was in from here. Price went down a bit towards, yeah, 103. And then we got back up. Then I took out 60% here, rebought over here, and I sold everything over here because I wasn't seeing, oh wait, I was sending it over here because I wasn't seeing it creating higher highs. And you know, I sold over here, and of course price did this and continued going up. I could have entered here again, or I could have entered here again. But I've been diving in altcoins basically a bit more. So I've been watching Bitcoin do its job and boiling up longs, you know? And I've been taking an advantage on other coins with it, especially this one, where I was also looking. Yeah, so I took this trade as well on the 15th, 15-minute candles, where it closed the 1 hour gap. Then it had a retest over here. So price went up, retest. That wick gave me a solid entry. Price went. Oh, actually, price broke through this trend line eventually. And I wanted to see continuation. I wasn't being smart. So here's my entry. Price went up. In fact, price went up to here. Then I knew that this gap was being created on the 1 hour. So what I did, I closed my trade over here. And I placed an order over here on the 1 hour gap. However, the neckline of this pattern, which is over here, if you dive into it a bit more, was strong enough, you know, as a level as well. So I just missed it. Otherwise, I would have been yeah, so 30% times 10. Yeah. Well, you're gonna have to take your loss sometimes, you know. Well, it's not a loss. I still won money with it, but you know what I mean, right? So let's see what it's been doing now. So let's remove this. Remove this. This is the 1 hour gap, I believe. Yeah. So even this gap here would have been our entry. Over here, stop loss below the low. Oh. Yeet. And I do want to see price hitting this first and then down. But we might have. Yeah, so it did barely close this one. So maybe this was the perfect entry for that short that we were talking about. But I would also like to see something like this happening. Enter for us, or either here or maybe even here. But I think this is the place to be. Yeah, I think this is still working out perfectly. However, it did create that higher high, higher lows, higher low, and then we created a lower low. So what could happen right now is that we push the price back up here, create that lower high. So we got our indication confirmation, and then the price will continue going down. So we're gonna have to keep a close eye on this one here, basically. In fact, I'll place an alert, and I'll place this gap here. Remove 1 hour. And then I want to see on the daily what are we looking at right now. Yeah, okay. So right now it's also been creating that gap over here. So let's see what it will respond off. Because right now we have been breaking out of this trend. Yeah, so we broke through. Possibly, where is it? Possibly the price will go back to this here. Let's say right over there. And then go towards there. In fact, I'm going to be opening a order. Because I don't think I have this one open. Oh, I have to sign in again. Crap. If you have a coin or request that you want me to dive in, let me know. Ooh, Trump is taking a beating. Trump is killing me. I'm also in Sui, by the way. This is the 15th. Give me the hour. Yeet. Where's my entry over here? I wish for it to be at 150.90. So on the Sui, we created the first higher high again. My entry is over here somewhere, I think. With a marching of 50 perhaps? Yeah, 50. So what I will do, because this is a nice close of the gap. Let me just place that here. This would have been the exact right moment, you know, to enter. Stop loss below. Yeah. So I'm gonna be adding marching. Over here. Just a tiny bit. Let me lock in first. Oh, my face in the way all the time. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Confirm login. Oh, I might have to. I'll go over it in a minute. Oh, that was so stupid. Okay, Sui. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be adding there with something like this. Yeah. Oh, wait, how much? Okay, that'll be it then. Trump, what are you doing with me? Let me dive into Trump real quick. Oh, fuck. That was stupid. I was about to check where my stop loss were on Trump, and I just dived into it basically. That's a big one. Well, that's all right. That is all right. So we had a loss of 9% in total there, and that's because I the loss is because I was in earlier, like somewhere over here, I think. I sold 90%, rebought, and then my entry got over here. Or over here, something like that. Fuck Trump. But it is alright. Enough moments for us to make back that money. Yeah, I'm gonna be long on Bitcoin. Because open long, fuck it. Alright, Sui gave me another entry. Come on, Bitcoin, hit my TP. I mean, entry. Thank you. It is hammering down. What's happening? Oh, market. Market is playing with us today. Market is fooling us. I just got an alert from Solana. Let's dive into Solana. I mean Solana. Daily wise. Let's fine tune all of these. Daily gap, daily gap. Tick, 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 tick. How is Sui doing? Sui! Yeah, get me over here. Sui, Sui, Sui. What's this? 3.57. Close 3.5725. Yep, close long. There we go. Bitcoin is Going through. Damn. What's happening here? What are you doing, Biddy? Oh, this is Sui. Are we touching the 1 hour gap and continuation up? Or are we going to break through again? So this is basically what happens whenever you're in market open. So here the market got open. I'm not sure about any news that came out. But it's just like Wolf of Wall Street, where all of these guys say like, yeah guys, go short, sell all of your coins and blah blah blah. You know how insane it is that whenever you're building up all of the momentum, all of the hours and such, but whenever market opens, something like this happens. That's just insane, if you ask me. Insane. But yeah, we're safe with Bitcoin entry. Very safe. Hello? Oh, okay. You guys might not believe it, but I do really think that Bitcoin will dump to the to at least 94 or 85. Come on, don't do this to us, guy. Don't close below. I'm happy for Bitcoin to still close below. I mean, as long as it's doing this, I am okay. I am okay with it. But as soon as Bitcoin will drop down into here and create that lower low, then we might have to rethink or relook at the price for it to make that pullback, continuation down, and then we're gonna be looking for shorts. Yeah, fuck Trump. How are we doing on the other altcoins that I was talking about? Okay, give me that double bottom here. I got my alarm set for this one. So I think we really did miss the train over here on Chill Guy. Yeah, for sure. So I was waiting for this entry to be happening, and we missed it with 1.5%. Otherwise we could have been, if it did hit us, our entry, then times 5 we would have been on almost 100x right now. 100%. Fortcoin did hit our entry, and I was not in it. Let's see, did I share this one on the Discord? Fart coin. Is this fart coin? No, this chill guy. Fart coin. I was hoping to be alerted here, but I really should have had it over here. That's a bummer as well. So we missed Chill Guy and we missed Fart Coin. How are we doing here? We are in red. I repeat, we are in red. But we're doing okay. So the hourly close is above this one here. So let's see if the next hour will be closing below or if it will be a retail up. Yeah, let's... Oh. It is time for a alert over here. Give me that 1.5 above, please. This one is also slowly working up. I have no marching left. Oh, I know why. This is fine. Sup, Kristen? Can you send me 10 USDT? I could, but I'm not going to. Everyone needs to make their own money. Start with Binance. So Binance is not allowed in the country that I live in. Sadly for you. I use BitUnix. It's one of the better exchanges in my opinion. Very easy to use, so. No, I can still trade with leverage and such. Bitcoin is not game over. Yet. Trump is. Fuck Trump. Trump been killing us. Or 1 hour. $6.60. Okay. Now give me CB. Thank you. So I'm long on Trump for small potential. Where I will have my stop loss in a safe location. Trump, TP, I mean stop loss over there. Limit order filled. Limit order filled. There we go. You can? What you can? Send you some money or? Because I'm not capable of doing that. Well, I am, but I'm not going to. Come on, Biddy. You are killing me again. No need for the alert. I know you're fucked up. So let's see if Fibonacci helps us today. I need to be opening it from here to there. Golden pocket water over here. Perhaps I'm not looking correct, so let's take this low. Or even this low to the highs. Then we just missed golden pocket. Well, we didn't miss it, it just went through. I don't trade on Fibonacci, by the way. You can know cryptocurrency. Yeah, so on the hourly, I need Bitcoin to be regaining this in the next coming hour. Mention family. It would have been a perfect short we just spoke about. Damn. Targeting this here then. Yeah. Would have been always later on the moment. So I just shared my TA about this one. So, okay. Yeah, I'll get my reminder set. For those that are in the Discord, I am sharing my TAs for free for the next coming 2 weeks till the 18th. So feel free to join the Discord and get your alerts there, and also see the TAs that I make on the streams basically. Trump is holding up for now. Yeah, that is okay. Yeah, and we really just missed the boat on some coins. But this one. We are okay. Well, let's dive back into Trump real quick. Because let me just place this order. For the close would have been 12.31. Close everything here, that will be fine for me. Then we're gonna go to CBD. And I want this to be jumping into copy price, close order, close long, set. And give me an alert when you're in the red again. Bitcoin is okay. Sui is okay as well. I'm gonna be adding a bit into Sui, just a tiny bit more. Yeah, I want it to be there. Yeah, exactly. Are we doing this? Hello, come on. Okay, thank you. Marching. So I'm long on 4 coins for now. And the only the only coin being in green is Trump. However, I just missed I just lose some on Trump before. So let's see if this will hold up. Finger. What day is it? Thursday. Thursday market open. Yeah, alright guys, I'm going to be closing the stream. Also just a very quick hour. I still want Bitcoin to get back into the range in order for a continuation. As long as it doesn't close below the 103,750, then I'll be happy. However, it doesn't look that way right now. Let's see. This is such a mess, holy crap. Well, this candle is such a weird candle on TradingView. Very much zoomed in, we have been creating this double bottom effect. So that could be in our advantage now. All of the trades are safe, except this one. This one is safe as well. Here, give me that reminder when you're up here, buddy. And give me the reminder when you're here. Okay. Sorry that the live stream wasn't this long today, or that effective. However, there's just not many people watching anyway. Just gonna have to build it up. Alright guys, have a good one, and I'll speak with you